Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? The Stamps of Life is going to a brand new show for us. It is the Heirloom Rubber Stamp Show in Allentown, Pennsylvania. It is March 27th and 28th, a Friday and a Saturday, and guess what? We are teaching classes there as well. Now, this is a brand new show for us, and we're really excited about it, and we're hoping all of our Pennsylvania and New York and New Jersey and all of our East Coast friends come to the show as well. We're really excited about that. Now, club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount in the booth. And if you're not in the club, don't worry, we can fix that. We're going to have so much fun. We have special little buttons for the club members, new this year, which is exciting. We have new bags this year. It's going to be a blast. You have to go. March 27th and March 28th. It's a Friday and a Saturday. We'll see you there. Bye-bye.